The new Crystal lacquered DeLite effects illustrate the trend towards making luxury looks feel casual. Their shimmering yet subtle opacity make them ideal for a high-low mix of extraordinary and everyday style. There are 5 new effects: Crystal Laguna, Crystal Ocean, Crystal Sunshine, Crystal Peach, and Crystal Lavender. Their highlighted facets show the depth and clarity of the crystal, giving increased sparkle and light return, while harmonizing perfectly with the existing crystal colors. Combine with Shiny Lacquer Pro or Shimmer lines for tone-on-tone designs with a fashionable matte sparkle. Suitable for jewelry, watches, apparel, and accessories, choose from round stones, fancy stones, flat back hotfix, and no hotfix in sizes PP21 or SS10 and above.